My name is Victor, a member of the HackathonAfrica 2.0 Cohort, and I'm so glad to be here to share my experience so far. I'm so glad that I was admitted into this bootcamp, the Hackathon Full Stack Development Bootcamp. And prior to this bootcamp, I had some exposure to Solidity, but I lacked some front-end knowledge. And coming to this bootcamp, it has been so great. I've had an amazing experience. We've been immersed into the front-end development technology such as React, Tailwind CSS, and other JavaScript frameworks for the front-end development.
Like my colleague has said, coming to Hackathon Africa has been amazing. We were introduced to so many technologies, React, GitHub, Pythons, and we're given some projects to do as Craft Connect. And Craft Connect is to link up artisans to customers so that they'll be able to connect and involve themselves in different activities. And these skills that we were taught, React, Tailwind CSS, GitHub, and the rest, was able to make us to collaborate and instill this technology to bring out a live, full-fledged project. We're able to implement Firebase authentications with our backend, and our app is working functionally. You can post an ad and you can book an ad. I can assure you that our app is going to be one of the best.
I'm a participant of the Hackathon Africa 2.0 Bootcamp. I would say coming here and the time I spent here, I've actually improved a lot. I'm actually a front-end developer that has been grinded in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and React. Now, I've been exposed to working within a team. I've had to take on personal projects myself, a Valitico project, a JavaScript calculator project. Now, I'm currently working on a laundry app project. And I would say the experience so far has been awesome.
My name is Clara and I'm a front-end developer, all thanks to this training. So far in this training, I've learned a lot. I've actually moved from 0 to 10, and I can really say that my experience here has been good and very well because I've had training, back-to-back classes. I've been taught very well by my tutors, and I can really say that I have learned a lot. So, as my group member pointed out, we have been working on a project together, and I can say that the experience is kind of mixed because I learned how to work with people, I learned how to cope with people, I learned how to be in a group and also work together in a group. At first it wasn't going well, but later on we got to cope up and learn how to manage people together. So far I can say that my experience here has been good.
My name is David, and I'm a back-end developer participating in the African Hackathon 2.0. I came to this program expecting to be good in programming, have a major programming stack, mainly Python, and be able to participate in a project by the end of the program. And so far, I think I've met at least 90% of my expectation, because right now I can actually deploy a fully functional backend of any project. I've been able to learn some soft skills. One of the major ones is being able to work as a team, then communication, because when you're working with several people, you have to communicate your ideas, you have to let them know the expectations of the program, and everybody kind of have to agree on a certain design pattern for things to be able to work out. So communication was a very, very important skills that I have learned in this program.
My name is Cynthia Marachi, participant of African Plan Hackathon 2.0. Like my team member said, we are working on a project called Zero Waste. So far, so good. It has been a good experience. I can say for sure that my expectations were met and beyond. This hackathon actually made it possible for me to be able to develop team spirit and team cooperation in order to deploy a project. This will be my first time of working on a live project with team members, and I can say for a fact that it has been going so well. So I have learned how to manage challenges and how to manage problems.
Collins, I'm a full stack developer, and coming here, I was kind of skeptical. I didn't know what I was going to expect, but my expectations has been exceeded. So I must say for the truth that I've learned a lot. Having to meet great minds in the industry have really helped shape my experience as a full stack developer. We've experienced challenges, different kind of challenges, sometimes emotional challenges, mental challenges, and all that, even the technical challenges. But overall, we've been able to overcome them. You know, working in a setting where everybody is willing to help you, working in a settings where you have instructors who are always out to help you, to put you through. You have senior colleagues who are there for you. You have even colleagues in your normal cohorts who are willing to leave their own project to assist your own project. Has really helped in building myself and that of my teammates. So we've been working together for a very long time, and we've had challenges individually and as a team, and we've been able to overcome those challenges.
So my name is Onachinedum Salem. I'm a front-end developer, a participant of the Hackathon Africa 2.0. So my experience so far has been wonderful, has actually been wonderful. Prior to coming here, I hadn't really worked on any serious project myself, to be honest. I had a bit of experience with HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript, but nothing too serious, just foundational. Coming here, I've actually honed my skills properly with front end. I can say that I'm to an extent, a solid full front-end developer at this point. I've gotten my hands into React. My group, as I said, we're working on this project. It's my home, a real estate housing project, and it's been wonderful. Honestly, I'm excited about this project because it's something I also feel like I can brag about, something that I've done personally. I can say, okay, yes, I worked on this, I did this, looking at it each time, and I'm like, okay, I can actually do this. So it's been a wonderful experience. Like I said, there've been challenges. Personally, one challenge I believe I had was communication. So there were times when he would put a hand to help in the front end, and because I wasn't communicating very well, would have overlay, so he'll work on something and I would also work on that same thing without telling him that I'm working on it, and we end up having conflicts, and conflicts can be frustrating. So when we're trying to merge each other's code, you have conflicts. So I've learned how to actually work as a team being here. I've learned how to use these platforms, I've learned how to use these languages, but I've also learned how to work as a team. I've learned to communicate, I've learned to carry everyone along actually as a team, and I feel like these are important things to learn. The experience generally has actually been really wonderful. I've had wonderful facilitators that, like you said, at every point in time you go to them to help you out. They're always willing to help you out. It's actually been wonderful. It's been a serene experience, and I'm really grateful for it. I really look forward to the journey going on from here. I know it's going to be wonderful. So.
Hi, my name is Okolo Fortune Tochku. I'm a member of Hackathon Africa 2.0. I'm a back-end developer. Yeah. Coming to this program, it has been a wonderful experience. It has been very rigorous, and honestly speaking, it has been very, very, very stressful. Stressful in the sense that you are being pushed against your limits. You are being pushed to do very hard things, and also you are being pushed to go against every odds. Our trainer has been wonderful, Mr. Shiri, our back-end developer, Mr. Theodore, our front-end developer. They have both been very wonderful. They have been able to groom, equip, and upskill me with the necessary skill and information I need to thrive in the programming world. Also, my friends that pushed me, my friends that helped improve and pushed me, Ikem, Cletus, and the rest of them. Though sometimes they have been very annoying, but at the same time, they help groom me, they help upskill me, and I'm really grateful. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Silas Chukwuemkoko here, front-end developer. Here at the Hackathon Africa 2.0 organized by African Plan Foundation, I've learned a lot of skills since 3 months ago that we kicked off this program. I've learned both in soft skills and tech skills. In the area of tech skills, I've learned how to use HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, which is a framework of CSS. I've also learned how to use React, which is a framework of JavaScript. In the area of soft skills, I've learned in the area of teamwork, communication, CV optimization, presentation skills, speaking, and a lot of them. During the course of this program or bootcamp, we have also embarked on a project which we called Eat Right. The Eat Right project is kind of very challenging project because we encountered a lot of problems which encompasses trying to find the knowledge gap and then the market gap in the project that we embarked on. We have to figure out whether the project is in the market and how to fill in the gap of the project. It has been a challenging one, but we were able to figure it out using also what we call the agile methodology. In the project, we have the MVP of the project as a chatbot, and we're able to solve that and to create an LLM that will help those with OSA to solve their problem by chatting with the bots. Thank you.
Hello people, HackathonAfrica 2.0. My name is Nwaruchidwim Teresa, and I have learned a lot of things in the course of 3 months, one of them being soft skills. I've learned communication, I've learned teamwork, collaboration and all that, and I've been able to implement all of these in the project that we've been working on called My Home. My Home is a house finding application that takes away the stress that these agents put in the course of finding homes. So it helps house owners get lodgers or renters for their homes. Working on My Home has given me exposure to my level of knowledge in Python, and it has really, improved my collaboration skills and teamwork and also communication skills.
Hello, my name is Faith Namani. Well, the journey so far has been so amazing. This is a journey I personally look forward to. So far, I've learned a whole lot of things, both in the practical skills and soft skills. Part of what I've learned in soft skills is communication, collaboration, public speaking. I've actually learned to communicate more with my teammates. The confidence of speaking out there has also been improved. Working as a front-end developer has really been helpful because it has really helped me to fine-tune my practical skill, and making use of some languages that I've not been familiar with has been so good.
Hackathon Africa 2.0. Hi, my name is Amarachi Hakam, and my experience so far has been amazing. I came here as a full-stack developer, but decided to transcend into back-end development for the course of this program. So far, we've been able to learn a whole lot in the back-end. We even diverged a little bit into DevOps. And so far, everything has just been great. The ups and downs are there, but we're moving on and we're getting there as we go every step of the way, and I'm so glad about the progress I've made so far. So with the fast API Python that we learned, we've been able to implement some things, like we're working on a project right now, trying to solve a problem here in Enugu. So we're trying to help artisans connect to their customers. Now for the customers, we're making it easy for you to be able to book an artisan from the comfort of your home. Like right now, I'm trying to get a cobbler to fix my shoe, and I can't do that because I don't know where in Enugu because I'm a visitor. But with our application, I would have been able to sit right here and book a cobbler, and I'll get my shoes fixed with no stress at all. And that's the problem we're trying to solve right here in Enugu, me and my teammates. And the collaboration has been something to aim for more from, because it's not easy to work in a team for a project, and so far we've been pushing on, and we've been able to get across to each other, communicate in the best ways that we can, because this project really has to be done one way or the other. So I'm really grateful for my teammates for allowing us to work together and reduce the amount of trouble that comes in here and there.
Hi guys, my name is Miracle Kelechi Emenike. I'm a front-end developer who came here to improve his skills on the back-end side. So I'm a newbie to back-end web development. So far my experience here has been amazing. I've learned a lot. I've actually grown. I've actually learned more about how the internet works. So overall, I would say my experience here is just great. I've learned fast API, Python's fast API, and it's amazing. It's a very cool technology that helps developers speed up their tasks easily because it has a very easy syntax and it's very easy to set up. So working with that, I feel it's a very great tool to improve my skills on and help me secure a better job later in life. So thanks.
Hi, my name is Chibuike Miraganachi. I'm a backend developer and a participant of the Hackathon Africa 2.0 program. I have learned a lot of skills while being a member of this program, and one of them is leadership. So I'm currently working on a project with my teammates called EatRight. What is EatRight? EatRight is a web application that incorporates AI to help people living with ulcer in Enugu, Nigeria, or in Nigeria in general, to meal prep with foods that are available in season. One of the ways I have applied one of the soft skills I have learned is collaboration and teamwork. Yeah, I've worked with my teammates and collaborated with them to be able to achieve this current project that we are working on.
Hi, my name is Jofosom Tochko. I'm a front-end developer. Okay, over the course of the last 3 months training, I've learned a lot. I've learned both tech skills and soft skills. And the soft skills I've been able to learn is communication, communicating effectively, teamwork, collaboration, and that's that for that. So one of the best knowledge sessions I had is the one from Iken Namani, when you talked about his life story, about how to be resilient, determined, and he encouraged us basically. And also Udodiri Ganachi, where she encouraged us as well.
Hi, y'all. My name is Kwemi Kechuku. Everyone calls me Monk. I'm a participant of Hackathon Africa 2.0, and I've been trained to be a back-end developer. Now, Hackathon Africa is all about giving back to the community. So we are actually tasked, even though we learned a lot of tools, technological tools that we can use to produce softwares, we're actually tasked to produce something that can be helpful to the community. So for me, I and my group, we thought about it and we decided to go for something that will give value to the community, which is actually about trying to clean up Enugu State. So we came up with a particular project which is called Zero Waste. Now, in this particular project, we actually faced a lot of challenges. I personally, while working on this project, faced a lot of challenges because most of the concepts we have taught in class, if you don't actually put it into a particular thing that you're actually experiencing, you may not be able to understand how those things go in practice when you are working. So while working on this project, it was actually during that time that I actually came to understand a lot about how we can actually apply the concepts that we have learned in class. So it helped me a lot, and also collaborating with my teammates, whereby anything that I found hard for the tasks that I was given personally, I can actually ask anybody and they will actually put me through it. So it helped me a lot to actually increase or make better my communication skill, and actually also help me to learn on my own. So because that is one of the essence of this hackathon, to actually teach us how to learn on our own.
Hello everyone, my name is Ebero Keke and I'm one of the participants in Hackathon Africa 2.0, and I'm really glad to be able to share this because before coming to Hackathon Africa, I really had a lot of issues when it comes to self-confidence, and I can boldly say that working with my teammates here on our project Zero Waste has helped me boost that a lot, because now I can say that I got help when it comes to public speaking, communication and presentation skills. And some of the knowledge sessions that were shared here with us, take the likes of Mr. Tolu, Mr. Namdi, Mrs. Queen. It was quite awesome listening to them, because I had to pick a few things from them when it comes to putting yourself out there, when it comes to communication, and also when it comes to working hard to get into the goal that you want to achieve. So I would actually say that this is an experience that I would wish for people who are willing and ready to learn to make a good experience and better their lives.